To do my notebooks, I chose to use OneDrive. I have a notebook for my child development, which is my theme for EDCI, as well as another notebook for my HDFS notes. In my child development notebook, I have some notes that I've found from my website, as well as a link to the website, which takes me, if I click on it, it takes me to the website, which then I have articles as well as more notes to look at. So this is where I found my notes, and then if I go down, there's articles here that I can read. In my other notebook, I guess I can just go back to this. My other notebook, my HDFS one, I've taken a lot more notes because I use it for my actual class. So in this notebook, I have my chapters over here, which are cut off of the screen, but I have chapter 1, 2, 3, and we're on 4 right now. Each chapter I have a section for it. So chapter 1 was called Introductions, and in that chapter I have all my notes. I have the important keywords, as well as things I needed to look at for studying. I have some little notes off to the side that go with it that tell me where to go to look at more information. Chapter 2, I have the title, I have another page like the first one. This is all highlighted so I knew what to look at when I took the test. Chapter 3, I have more notes. I have another side notation right here where I was supposed to go to look in the chapter. More highlighted notes, and then we just started chapter 4 the other day, so there's not a lot. But I have the quote that our teacher told us we should really pay attention to, the keywords highlighted, some examples off to the side. I have some different color coding to know what's important, what we should be thinking about, and yeah.